In the field of estate planning and the use of trusts, there are many different stories and analogies and examples that are used to drive the point home. So often enough, I'll describe, and I've heard other attorneys and other trainings that I've gone to, they'll explain the trust as being something else, right? So a trust is a vehicle. A trust is a tool. A trust is a document. A trust is a fictional person. And then by way of explanation, we'll say the trust is like, an irrevocable trust is like a tank. Nothing can penetrate the tank. Or it's like a treasure chest, right, where you can protect your valuables inside of the treasure chest, or a vault. I've also heard it described as a wagon, and I'm going to use a push cart, a shopping cart for today. So picture you're a homeowner, an asset owner, a bank account owner, a brokerage owner, an owner of a brokerage account, and you're pushing a cart. So picture the cart that you might find in Stop and Shop or Wegmans or in any supermarket, Aldi. So you have a cart, you're standing behind the cart and you're pushing the cart. You are the person that you are, and the cart is your trust. So you're pushing this cart, which is your trust, and you take your house and you put it into your cart. And then you take, I don't have any money on me. I already emptied my pockets. You take your brokerage account, you put it into the trust. And you take your bank account, put it into the trust. And you take this other valuable thing, put it into the trust. And you're pushing the cart, which is your trust. Upon your infirmity, at the onset of an Alzheimer's or dementia condition, and you fall down, well, then your trustee, your successor trustee or trustee can push the cart in your place. And if ultimately you pass away, like all people, right? Ultimately, we meet the great beyond. At that time, your successor trustee steps into your shoes and pushes the cart. None of your items, the bank account, the brokerage account, the other valuable items, your house, right? None of that falls to the floor. It's within the trust. It's within your cart, and the trustee is pushing, the successor trustee is pushing that cart along, and it keeps on keeping on until the instruction manual, the rule book that's inside the trust says transfer it to someone else. Distribute it in this way, whatever your own guidelines are within the trust doc. Be well, frankbrunolaw.com for all of your estate planning and trust needs.